Hello, welcome to all my dear students. Myself Dr. J.K. Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen principles of direction. Today, we are going to learn this chapter, techniques of direction. So let's start with the new topic, techniques of direction. Definition. Direction is the guidance, the inspiration, the leadership of those men and women that constitute the real core of the responsibilities of management. In this slide, now we will discuss techniques of direction. The first point is delegation. Delegation, some tasks are assigned by superior to subordinates with the certain rights and powers. The assign his work to subordinates and gives him authority to the work. This is the most useful technique of the direction because the opportunity to the subordinates are motivated with the help of technique. Thereafter, next point is issuing order and instructions. The achieving organizational objectives, it is the necessary issues orders and the instruction to the subordinates. They can work efficiently and effectively. Management is getting things done from others and issuing the orders, instructions necessary. Manager gives the instruction, it is clear and complete. It is better to give written instruction to the subordinates. When orders are issued by superiors, they are enforceable on subordinate because superior has authority. Next point is follow up. When orders are issued from superiors to the subordinates and it is necessary take follow from the subordinates, and follow up helps to analyze whether order is being carried out in the proper manner. The next techniques of direction is supervision. Supervision is achieving the desired result by means intelligent utilization and human talent and facilitating resources. The supervisions are overseeing the employees at the work, motivation of employees, utilizing the human talent, and maintaining the good human relations. Every executive has to work of his subordinates. Supervision is most important. Operating level at the supervisor is in direct touch with the workers and they explain the proper methods of the work and they maintain the discipline and various solve the various problems. The techniques of the leader gives order to expect to subordinates. The leadership style is effective, is getting productivity, is many situation, and they like a factory where the supervisor is responsible for production on time. He has to ensure labor productivity. The decision making is also facilitated. There are various also they may listen to everyone opinion and subordinates idea and cursor decision will be there on. The next techniques of direction. The standard practice and procedures. The standard practice and procedure is an essential part of direction. It is the possible in case of routine work. There is any change of work. It is the separate instruction are required. Thereafter next point is explanations. While issuing the instructions, manager should explain and the order is given. This is the useful because once subordinates understand the reason and issuing the order and they follow effectively. The next techniques of direction is behavioral pattern. Manager adopt any one of the part and pattern. The participative or free rein. The orders and instructions are given in detail. Subordinates are not at all involved in decision making. The pattern is democratic pattern in which decision is taken jointly by superior and subordinates. In such case, orders or instruction are not required. In this case, superior provides broad guidelines and subordinates. They have to take decisions within that framework and the pattern to be followed depends upon the understanding of human nature and the situation. The democratic techniques of the democratic leader will develop action plan and make the decision in consultation with its subordinate. This kind of leadership style or techniques is more common nowadays since leaders also recognize that people to perform and they have set their own objectives. They also need to respect the other's opinion and support their subordinates. They perform their duties, organizational objectives. Depending upon the situation, a leader to choose to exercise and combination of this style. The leader would have certain rules to be followed while they doing work and the democratic leader may have to take his own decision. It is an emergency situation. So these were the various techniques or these were the various leadership style of direction. Thank you.